So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create new style of particle animation with using Trapcode plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition and guys duration use 15 seconds. Take any name and press OK. Yeah. So guys, I take new solid layer and solid layer name take form. Yeah. Guys select this layer and effect and use RGB trap code to take form this one. Yeah, and fit to 100% check. Yes. Okay, so now guys go to base form and base form to change obj this one obj model. Yeah, and click on choice model. Yes, see guys, that's my models, right? See. Okay, so now guys this time I like this one hurt and press OK. Yeah, and 100%. Yes, see, right? Okay, so now guys go to scale size. That's my scale size and increase like this, decrease little bit. Yeah, like 800, right? Okay, so now guys go to here particles and sphere feather like 0 and size I like 0.8. Yes, see, right? Okay, so now guys go to color and color I take blue color, blue, little bit dark, lighter. Yeah, see. Okay, see guys, that's my simple shape. And now guys I create particles. So this time I take new solid layer and solid layer rename particle and press OK. Yeah, guys select this particle and again trap code. So this time I use particular, this one. Yeah, see guys, that's my particle. Okay, so guys select this layer and go to shift layer like this and increase. Yeah, so go to back and play. Yes, see guys, right? Okay, so now guys same go to emitter and particle type, this one emitter type I like obj model and take your model. So click on here and same guys select this hurt model. Yeah, and guys velocity I like 0. Yeah, and guys same emitter size I like 800. Yeah, and guys unfold and I go to particle and life I like 1 and sphere feather like 0. Yeah, and now guys I increase also count particle count like 4000. Yeah, and particle guys size I like 2. Yes, see, and guys I take color. So this time I use light blue color, blue. Yeah, right? Okay, so now guys I go to physics and air and guys go to here turbulence field. Yeah, and guys see that's my effect size like 5. Yeah, and position like 50. Yeah, and guys scale size little bit increase like 20. Yeah, right? Okay, see guys, that's my particle. You can increase more size like this, like 2.5. Yeah, and go to here physics and guys effect size like 10. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so now guys I apply glow effect. So take glow, select and apply on particle layer. Yeah, and guys radius like 50. Yeah, and guys more decrease like 20, and threshold 100, actually like 50. Yeah, see, right? See guys, that's my beautiful particles. Okay, so now guys I take one more particle effect. So select this particle and control D and rename particle 1. Yeah, and guys unfold all and select this glow and press delete key. So guys select this particle 1 and this time I apply star glow, this one. Yeah, and guys see, that's my star glow, and I go to emitter particles like 2000 and velocity I like, guys take like 100. Yeah, and guys select this first one particle and this time velocity like 50. Yeah, and select this first one particle 1 and velocity I like 100. And guys you can increase more like 200 depend on your work. Yeah, 200 is also good. Okay, so now guys go to star glow and presets change, that's my effects. See, like this one and code heaven. Yeah, like this, right? Okay guys, you can take anyone, depend on your work. So select and change star glow color. I like white. Yes, beautiful. See guys, that's my beautiful color, right? Okay, so now guys again select this particle 1 and duplicate, and this time take particle 2 and guys go to emitter and velocity I like 500. Yeah, and go to here like this. Guys increase more velocity, actually velocity is good. And guys go to here life second I like 2. Yes, much better. See, right? Okay, so now guys my particle is finished, it's really beautiful. And play. Yeah, okay, so guys select this particle 2 layer and shift like this. Yes, and go to back and again preview. Yeah, see guys, that's beautiful. Okay, so now guys I create background. So take new solid layer like BG and go to last one and apply ramp effect. Ramp, gradient ramp, apply, and radius guys take black and star color like blue, like this. Yeah, yeah, right. See, okay, so now guys this time I take again solid layer for light, and this time light and press OK. So guys select this light and this time I apply optical flare. Yeah, and click on here option and guys increase this size and go to presets. Yeah, and guys you can take any lens flare light like this one. Yeah, and change mode, add, and like this. Yes, and guys select and brightness like 200. Yeah, and select this light and duplicate, control D. Yeah, and select this optical flare, go on right side. Yes, see guys, it's really beautiful, right? Okay, so now guys last one I take adjustment layer and go to effect and preset, and this time apply curve tool. Select and curve on adjustment layer and darker. Yeah, see guys, that's really sharp effect, right? See. Okay, so now guys, my particle effect is really good. It's really awesome. And guys, now you can increase more size effect. So go to here, particle, this one, and guys go to here, size like 3, yes, and increase like 4, yeah, and select this one, and guys like 4, yeah, right, and decrease this count like 500, yes, and select this one and count like 100, actually 1000, yeah. So now guys go to back and play. See, that's really beautiful guys. And closer, go to 100%, yes, that's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, I create camera movement animation. So I take camera and camera check, yeah, and second one, take null object. So guys, select this camera and connect with null one, and select this null and press R, rotation, and this null object, click on 3D, and see guys, that's my rotation effect. Rotation like this. Guys, Y rotation, so go to 0 and Y rotation check, yeah, and I go to 15 second and Y rotation take 360, you want, yes, and play, yeah. See guys, that's my beautiful particle effect, and second one, my rotation effect, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final particle animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.